Welcome to ToolPix, where we bring you the gear that truly makes a difference. This month, we're showcasing 15 game-changing tools designed to give you professional-grade results and dramatically reduce your project time. Subscribe and stay tuned to pick a tool that deserves a spot in your shop. Forget misaligned holes and weak joints. The JointMate is your ultimate secret weapon for creating accurate corner, edge, and surface joints. Its self-centering pins and multiple metal bushings accommodate various dowels, and adjustable guide fence ensures precise hole alignment. Hardened steel bushings ensure accuracy for perfectly placed dowels, making this tool efficient and easy to use for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Tame large sheets with the Craig Whip Cut Circular Saw Guide. It transforms a standard saw into a precision cutting tool. It enables straight, accurate, and repeatable cuts in large sheets such as plywood. Simply set the desired width on its built-in scale. The guide handles the rest, gliding along the factory edge to eliminate measuring errors. It's the ultimate solution for confident one-person sheet good breakdowns. Unleash your creativity with the Black & Decker jigsaw. Engineered for control, its variable speed motor and curve control technology empower you to navigate intricate shapes in wood, metal, and plastic with ease. Features like a tool-free blade clamp, adjustable bevel cuts, and a dust blower make complex scrolling and detailed work not just possible, but remarkably straightforward and clean. Meet this versatile oscillating multi-tool for home repair and remodeling. It expertly flushes trim, cuts delicate notches, and removes material in impossibly tight spaces where chisels and saws cannot go. With specialized blades for wood and sanding, it is the ultimate tool for perfecting joinery, executing delicate inlays, and performing seamless repairs, making it an indispensable asset for flawless craftsmanship. Elevate your router work from simple edging to advanced joinery with the milling groove bracket. This professional aluminum jig unlocks precision capabilities for your router, enabling flawless edge milling, circular grooves, and inlays. Its modular design provides rock-solid stability for your router, transforming it into a stationary power source for achieving machine shop accuracy and flawless results on every piece. Revolutionize panel glue-ups with pressure panel clamps. These innovative clamps apply simultaneous pressure from 4 directions, forcefully squeezing boards together while keeping them perfectly flat and aligned. This eliminates cupping and dramatically reduces sanding time, making them indispensable for creating seamless tabletops, cutting boards, and cabinetry with a professional finish. Experience complete routing freedom with this cordless wood router. This powerful brushless tool cuts the cord without sacrificing performance, offering robust power for trimming, carving, and slotting anywhere. Enhanced with an LED light for perfect visibility and a quick depth adjustment, its comprehensive kit provides unparalleled versatility and convenience for the modern woodworker. Create perfect, safe, thin strips with this thin rip jig. This precision accessory guides your stock on the table saw, featuring a critical anti-kickback bearing for ultimate safety. With its integrated measurement scales, you can achieve consistently accurate, repeatable rip cuts down to the finest dimensions, making this jig essential for any shop focused on safety and precision. Experience the art of Japanese craftsmanship with this exceptional pull saw.
Its dual-sided blade is meticulously designed with specialized teeth for effortless rip and crosscuts, gliding through hardwood and softwood alike. The razor-thin kerf minimizes waste and effort, while the hand-finished wooden handle provides perfect balance and control. This saw brings centuries of precision tradition directly to your workshop. Achieve razor-sharp edges with confidence using this sharpening system. This honing guide locks your chisels and plane irons at a perfect, consistent angle every time, taking the guesswork out of sharpening. Built from durable alloys to resist wear, it is the indispensable tool for maintaining your most critical edge tools, ensuring they cut cleanly and safely for superior results. Meet the hand screw clamp, a timeless woodworking clamp tool with hard maple jaws. These jaws adjust to fit various shapes, providing a powerful yet delicate grip that won't mar delicate workpieces. Its specially threaded steel spindles allow for quick adjustments and immense strength, making it ideal for intricate clamping tasks on furniture, cabinets, and musical instruments. Secure your work with absolute confidence using this bench vise. This heavy-duty cast iron vise is the cornerstone of an efficient shop, featuring a full swivel base and multi-position jaws for tackling projects from any angle. Its unparalleled grip and stability are perfect for sawing, chiseling, and planing, making it an indispensable partner for every hand tool task. Perfect your projects with this profile scraper. This professional-grade tool delivers a surgically clean finish by precisely trimming veneer and removing hardened glue. The guided, interchangeable blade ensures flawless control for a feathered edge, making it the secret weapon for invisible repairs and impeccable surface preparation before finishing. Conceal flaws and restore surfaces with Gorilla Wood Filler. It is a durable solution for repairing cracks and holes in wood. It is water-resistant and suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. This filler does not shrink or crack and can be painted, stained, and sanded for a seamless finish. It also anchors screws and nails, providing strong, mold-resistant repairs that are easy to mold and spread. Master the art of hidden joinery with this self-centering doweling jig. This ingenious tool eliminates layout errors by automatically centering perfectly perpendicular holes for strong, invisible joints. The robust clamping system and clear sightlines ensure drill bit stability, making it effortless to create professional-quality drawers, frames, and furniture with rock-solid alignment. That's the lineup of next-level woodworking tools designed to upgrade your shop and make every project smoother, faster, and more precise. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest tool finds.